Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. Oxidation of ferrous ion to ferric ion by hydrogen peroxide is a redox reaction. Let us discuss balancing this redox reaction by ion-electron method. To balance redox reaction, let us see a interesting mnemonic. Anna, Wolof, Rapunzel and Belle all enjoy original hot chocolate. Look at the first step, assign oxidation number. So first we are going to find that oxidation number. In hydrogen peroxide, it is an exceptional case for oxygen. Oxygen oxidation number is -1. So let us write -1. Fe2 plus, it is a monoatomic ion. So that charge itself, its oxidation number, so +2. Same way for Fe3 plus also. +3. Come to H2O. In that oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So second step, oxidation half reaction. So we go to split this reaction into two half reaction. One is oxidation half reaction and see the third step, reduction half reaction. Which one is oxidation? Increasing oxidation number we called as a oxidation. So here you can see ferrous Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus ferric. So this is oxidation, OH. Then what about that in hydrogen peroxide? Here oxygen from -1 to -2. So it reduced. So this one is reduction, RH. So let us write first OH and RH. In OH, we are going to write Fe2 plus, that convert into Fe3 plus by losing 1 electron. What about that in the right hand side? Right hand side we can write H2O2 by gaining 1 electron because there is one number only difference. 1 electron, it converted into H2O. So 3 steps are over. Now come to the next step. Balance. What we are going to balance? Balance atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. But look here. Here oxygen is a exceptional case because here oxygen is present like hydrogen peroxide. It is a exceptional case. First let us start from here. Here 1 Fe only. Here also 1 Fe. So it is already balanced. But in H2O2 you can see oxygen. There are 2 oxygen atoms here, but here only 1 oxygen atom. So to balance, we should put 2 here. So when you are writing 2 here, this electron also, number of electron also changing because for per atom, 1 electron. So here 2 oxygen atoms. So immediately you change that 1 electron also 2 electrons. 1 oxygen atom, 1 electron, 2 oxygen atoms, 2 electrons. So this step is over. Now come to the next one. Next is balancing electrons. So we go to balance the electrons because in redox reactions, number of electrons gained should be equal to number of electrons lost. So here, if it is 2 electrons on this side, then this side also should be 2 electrons. To change that this side also 2 electrons, now we are multiplying with 2, but this we can multiply with 1 because here 2 electrons only. When we are multiplying, you need to multiply the whole half reaction into 2. Here the whole half reaction into 1. So write 2 Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus 2 electrons. Same way we can write. Now electrons are equal, so we can cancel electrons. Once this step is over, now rewrite the equation by seeing that original reaction. So H2O2, now here also H2O2 only, one molecule only. But see Fe2 plus, now 2 Fe2 plus. Then after that, that gives Fe3 plus, 2 Fe3 plus, H2O, 2 H2O. Now come to the next step. Next step is oxygen atoms. So after balancing the electrons, now oxygen atoms. We are going to balance oxygen atoms, then hydrogen atoms. So for balancing oxygen atoms and hydrogen atoms, see here, oxygen add H2O to balance oxygen atoms. If you look at the left hand side, there are 2 oxygen atoms are here. Then in the right hand side also 2 oxygen atoms are there. So oxygen atoms are balanced. So now we move to hydrogen atoms. So hydrogen atoms, in the left hand side we have 2 hydrogen atoms, but in the right hand side we have 4 hydrogen atoms. But to balance hydrogen atoms, add H plus to balance hydrogen atom if the reaction is carried out in acidic medium. Here this reaction is taking place in acidic medium. So we are going to add H plus. How many H plus? 2 H plus we are going to add. So let us write 2 H plus on left hand side. Now the final step is charge. So the charge is, checking the charge is the final step. So here you can see that 2 plus, so 4 plus, then 2 plus. So total 6 plus in the left hand side. Here you see 2 3s are 6. 6 plus in the right hand side. So we have equal and same charges on the both sides. So this reaction is completely balanced. So the complete balanced redox reaction for this reaction is this one. Now let us see that our mnemonics once again. Anna, Olaf, Rapunzel and Belle all enjoy original hot chocolate. Though this is our time to have hot chocolate, let us enjoy our hot chocolate. Thanks for watching.